What's up, my people? How you all doing? Yeah, man. So today I'm heading down into a cherry orchard, guys. Yeah, man. I want to show you guys what it is like this time of the year, guys. Yeah, man. Cause the first time I saw it, guys, before me understand, I thought all of this tree was unalive. You know? Yeah, man. So I'll show you what I go on, my people. Yeah, man, my people. So this is what it actually look like. You thought this tree all unalive, my people. Yeah, but look at it, guys. Yeah, man. All of these stuff is actually the fruits, the leaf, everything. Yeah, man. So before the winter come on, this is what happened. The tree actually push out the bearings. Yeah, so we call it like the tree went to sleep during the winter. Yeah. And you thought these trees would never come back. Seeing it looking like this for the first time. Yeah. So yes, guys, but just take a walk through the orchard and show you guys what it is like, you know? Yeah. So it's winter time in Canada. As you can see, guys, all the leaves is on the ground. Just a few leaves. You can see one and two still on the tree. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Leaf everywhere on the ground, guys. Like I said, these are all cherry tree, Canadian cherry. Yeah, man. A plane a pass. Yes, guys. So coming next year, these are the same tree that gonna bring a lot of fruits. And I would say like 99.9.99% of this tree. Can you imagine that this tree will survive the winter? All the cold, the snow on the ground, the frost, everything. This tree will come back alive. It's hard to believe, but it is what it is. You can see most of the trees are actually leafless at this time because coming on to the winter, it's winter time in Canada, my people. Yeah. And I'm gonna run through one of the lane, guys, and make you see. The first time I saw it, I was so surprised. Cause I thought this tree would never come back. Like, I was thinking to myself that coming next year, they would have to plant some different tree. But I was like, but if them plant some new tree, when it's gonna actually get back this big to start bear? Because when I plant them, they take like 3 years to really start to give I say start to produce fruits. And before someone explained that they are not really unalive. It's just a process what they have to go through each year when the winter come on. When the winter appear. So yeah, them say you are fool to what you don't know until you know. Yeah, so what it is, guys, as you can see all around the trees like this. Yeah, man, so this is just natural nature, guys. The work of Almighty. Yeah, man, the work of Father God. Only Him can do this, you know. Yeah. Like these three now, still have on quite a few leaves. Yeah. So it's just it's snowing, my people. Yeah, man, first day of snow. First day of snowfall in Canada. But still, a few out here working in it, guys. Yeah, man. Cause you know work of it go on, you know. So today are the first day of snowfall, like me say. As you see in the previous video, I did tell you, yeah, man, say the other day we're gonna have some snow. Yeah, man, so it was expected to be snowing today, and actually it is snowing, guys. Yeah, man. Regardless, as you see, the ground is actually wet, as if it's raining, but it's snowing. Reason being, guys, it's a wet snow. Yeah. Yeah, man. Snow. It's snowing. Yeah, snow. Put in some work, so jump up in that truck here, guys, and get some work done. Yeah, man, me draw some apple. Yeah, man. So yes, my people, the bunny job. Winter time in Canada. You know where work have to go on. Yeah, man. So that's it, guys. So yes, my people, as I shown earlier on, guys, the snow did just start and pour down, but now it's much harder outside, guys. So heavy. Yeah, man. This is what it actually look like now, my people. Yeah. Yeah, man, as the place get white out, you know. Flatbed full of snow. So we have to just head home now, you know, my people, cause we can't work. Yeah, man, the place get too slidey, you know. So let's head home. Car full of snow, same way. Yeah, man, we have to watch it. We have to get rid of that, you know, guys. It's winter time in Canada. Whoa. Watch what going. So that my people. Fuck. It's winter time, my people, in Canada. I say looking at my people, I have to take time, walk come down the slope, you know. Slide and broke your backside, I say, you know. See it? First day of fall, snowfall in Canada.
Here again.
Out on road.
Up.
See it? Snow and fall and food I cook. Some shrimp there, so scald. Some dumpling and corn. That is it. Now that we are going with, you know, my people come in. Dinner almost ready. Yeah man, life of a farm worker.